Okay guys, just wanted to go through the basic conclusions for you. I did do a video of both video cards running Furmark after the fact of being modded, but I really don't think it's necessary to show you guys. Because the temperatures only went down about 10 degrees on both cards, which I mean it is an improvement, but was nowhere near what I expected to see. And it turns out the main problem is actually with the factory heatsink, because you can, well, that kind of shows you the little picture right there. You can see the heat pipes attached to the main heatsink. You can touch the heat pipes on the main heatsink, like the heatsink on the video card, the actual heat pipes on the video card, not the heat pipes that we put on. So you can touch those heat pipes on the video card when the card's doing about 82 degrees on the core, and the heat pipes are like lukewarm. So basically the problem is that the cheap stock cooler can't pull away the heat from the core fast enough. So basically putting on our extra coolers didn't really do much, because the shitty stock cooler can't pull the heat away from the core anyway to get it to the extra coolers. So they do help, but not all that much really. Like I said, about 10 degrees on both cards under load. So Nathan was doing 88 degrees on stock cooler. Now he does about 78. And the same with me. I was doing about 76. Now I get about 70, or not 78, 68 max. So it's not too bad. But I'm definitely going to be saving up for a Danger Den water block for my card, because it still runs upwards of 70 degrees, which I mean it is normal for these cards, but that's still pretty friggin' warm. Plus I have one hell of a water cooling unit, so getting a water block for my card is probably the best bet. And then my card will probably run like 40 to 45 degree load, because I see guys running 50 to 55 degree load temperatures, and that's on like the cheesiest imaginable water cooling unit. You know, it's only got one 20 millimeter fan cooling, you know, a cheesy 120 millimeter rad. I've got a friggin' 5,000, actually I think that's a 10,000 BTU rad over there under my fan. So yeah, my rads are a little bigger, plus my fan's rated at like 14,000 BTU, or not BTU, CFM. Big industrial 8-inch exhaust fan. So yeah, I'll be getting a Danger Den water block eventually. Friggin' like 150 bucks. And then basically once I do that, I guess I can sell my modified stock cooler, which does keep it way below like 85 degrees, which is what it used to run stock. Because I checked the forums the other day, because I used to be big into the forums, and I checked my stock temperatures from when I actually got my 280, and yeah, it damn near did 90 degrees, like my brother's. About 85, 86 degrees under load, and that was before I even started using Furmark, so that's pretty intense. Anyway, so just so I let you guys know that, it's not really worth showing you the bench videos, because it was only 10 degrees lower than what we were getting stock. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy the look of the cards. They do look pretty cool. The coolers do work. Even before the cards were in Windows, the two heat pipe coolers on top of the cards that you can see sticking up there were already pulling heat away from the card and going up in temperature. So it does work, but unfortunately the stock cooler is not powerful enough to actually put the heat into the coolers that we put on. So oh well, it was worth a try. At least my card now idles at like friggin' 37, which is pretty damn good for a GTX280 with the fan speed at 60. Yep. So that's pretty good for idle. 37 degrees. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed.